In this video, we'll discover tips and tricks to use when performing kettlebell workouts. Tips you need to perform the kettlebell swing. For you to perform the kettlebell swing we have discussed above, it is critical that you maintain the right posture as much as you can, even though it's hard. Some of these tips will help you do it right. Load the heels and not your toes. Try as much as you can to maintain a flat back throughout the exercise. Ensure that you keep your shoulders in their sockets when lifting your chest. Try not to hinge your lower back. Take in deep and soft breaths when going up and breathe out nice and soft when coming down. Stand tall throughout the exercise while squeezing your abs. Tips on how to perfect the single leg deadlift. These include maintaining a tight grip while you keep the shoulder and your back aligned throughout the exercise. Ensure that you maintain the weight on the heel. Instigate movements by simply moving one of your feet towards the back. It is important that you try hard not to arch your lower back. Come down slowly while maintaining control so that you do not rotate your hind leg lest you trip and fall. Ensure your movements go as far as you are comfortable without necessarily going beyond your limit of stability and flexibility.